Designed for TIG welders, the Speedglas G5-02 helmet sets a new world standard for welders doing high-performance critical work. Thanks to the position of the 4 arc detection sensors, the filter reliably switches even in challenging applications, such as hidden arc situations, or at TIG settings as low as 1 amp, meeting the new preliminary ISO 16321 TIG Plus standard. And although it's TIG optimized, the G5-02 helmet works great with all other arc welding processes. Task your craft to a new level and experience our latest comfortable safety.